Today, we will keep crushing the markets with the best momentum strategy and the best indicator we can ever use. We have a global crash. Furthermore, we will do a top-down analysis with the top loser asset and learn to quickly scalp. If you're ready, let's go. What a strange and tough days to trade or even invest. Markets rallying one day and crashing the other day. Very exciting for traders, but at the same time very confusing. Let's check the Saga coin again. As you know, I was longing or shorting this coin on a daily basis. Since we have the global Monday crash today, just go with the flow. But always ask this question. Even if it's crashing, where is this coin heading? We were already hunted the previous week low, then what is next? Yes, it is the previous month low, the next institutional level. Remember, if it is a crashing market, it still has a purpose of hunting a liquidity point or filling an imbalance gap. From the momentum layout, you can easily see the crash. This crash started on Sunday night, while I was sleeping actually. I'm sure that many of you missed the beginning of this crash, but it is no problem. Check these gigantic momentum imbalances. This shall prove you the power of sellers. It's simply big shareholders selling. Not much of a pullback to take a trade here. However, if you have some patience, if you just check out the 30 minutes here, you can notice a nice pullback to the 30-minute imbalance right here. This is your chance of entry. Let's have a much closer look at this 30-minute time frame again. Notice what really happens. Sellers take a momentary break from the mega crash, and buyers try to step in here. But later on, sellers takes the control back with the 30-minute bearish momentum imbalance. This was a simple concept I have taught you in the free imbalance lessons. If I remember correctly, I called this concept as imbalance 2.0, the next generation of imbalances. Very simple concept. Price pulls back to an imbalance, price reacts to imbalance, price creates a new momentum imbalance. Now, let's check the 15-minute time frame. First, notice the nice support and resistance flip area here. I love SR flip areas because it is one of the most ancient chart patterns. However, it really works with high accuracy if you combine it with smart money concepts. Notice small 15-minute imbalance fails here. First fail of low time frame buyers. Next, the 15-minute momentum imbalance. First sign of the seller power in the low time frames again. The next is a simple price switch and crash strategy. Do you see how I combine high and low time frames with a full top-down analysis? I never pick a random imbalance. All this is a full combination. This was a nice 10% crash up until we hunted the previous month's low point area. However, never trust these markets, believe me. These are crazy days. This closer liquidity point was a much better target for us. Remember and never forget, as a trader, you have only one and only one single purpose. Make money with in and out quickly. You are not investing here, okay? You are not predicting the future. Get in and out, be done with it. I hope that this lesson was really helpful. See you next time, friends. Take care.